Welcome to this tutorial. This tutorial is going to be a quick tutorial to show you how to create a page on Facebook, a page for your business, for your team, whatever you'd like, and also show you some of the new features of Facebook pages that use timeline as they all do now. So we're logged into a Facebook account, so you obviously need to be signed up with Facebook already. And if you navigate down to the bottom of your Facebook page, you will see a little link for Create a Page. And immediately it's going to take you through the steps, a little bit of a wizard to help you create your page. So first off, you need to decide what category your page falls into, whether it's local business, a company, a brand or product, artist, band or public figure, entertainment, or cause or community. I'm going to choose a company or an organization because I want this to be for my GDI team, and that's an organization to me. So I'm going to choose a category, and I'm just going to quickly choose computers and technology. And the company name. It's going to be Nicole's GDI team. And obviously you want to check out the Facebook terms and conditions if you haven't already, just to see what you can do with your page, what you should stay away from. But I'm not going to go over those now, and I'm just going to agree to them and get started. Again, this is going to take you through the wizard, kind of filling out the information that Facebook wants for your page. So it wants to use a photo for my team. So luckily I have access to some great GDI photos. And I select a photo, and next. Provide some basic information about Nicole's GDI team. And then you can enter the site that you want to associate with your page. Chances are this will be your .ws site, or maybe it's your Twitter feed or anything else you'd like to share. And then already your page has been created for you, but you want to do a little bit more to it to make sure visitors get all the information they need. So I'm going to cover those steps and then cover a few of the features. So right away, you probably want to like your own page. So just because you've created it doesn't mean you're a fan. So you want to like it right away, as this dialog box asks you to. And the next thing you can do is invite your friends. So you have the option right away when you start your page to go through and invite your friends to like your page. You can also invite through email contacts if you want to use that feature of putting your email in through Facebook and then grabbing your contacts. Again, these are things you don't have to do, but it's just something you can do to get your page started. And then right away it wants you to share something. So you can share your news, promotions, or just say hello. So I'm just going to quickly say, post on my timeline, and just welcome message. So if this is all you want to do to your site, you absolutely can leave it as is. People will be able to interact with your site, like your site, post on your site, and as can you. But I want to cover a few more features. Right up here we have the admin panel that when you're the administrator for a page, you're going to see this. You can also choose to hide it. But I actually want to open it up again, so after you close it, or if you close it, you can just click on admin panel and it will open it again for you. So what you can see here is notifications, like activity people have done on your page, whether they've liked your page, liked a post, written on your wall. So you'll find that in notifications. New likes are obviously new likes for your page. Insights, this will be built up once you have your page for a while, and this is going to break it down post by post and let you know what people are doing each one of your posts. So this is great. This is kind of like a hit log. It just lets you know what people are doing on your page. Page tips, you can just scroll through these. These are tips from Facebook. And right here is where your messages will appear because people can message your page. So that's our admin panel, so we're just going to hide that. You also have the option to add a cover photo. So this is a unique photo feature at the top of your page. They're pretty strict about what you can and can't use for a cover photo. So the space is not meant for promotions, coupons, or advertisements. Photos should not be primarily text-based or infringe on anyone else's copyrights. So if you have any questions, you can click that little Learn More link right here. So we're just going to choose a cover photo. We can choose from photos. We don't have any yet, or upload a photo. So I'm just going to upload the photo I have. And you can move this photo all around. This is actually a pretty good fit. So we just want to save changes. So as you can see, the text gets cut off a little bit, but we're just using this for example's sake. So this is your cover photo, and it definitely draws the eye in more and shows that you've created your page and put a little bit more effort into it. So I just want to cover next the about. We put that in during our little wizard, but you can edit it at any time. Obviously, there's a lot more information you can fill in: your address, description of your services, your mission, awards, stuff like that. So really go in and populate this information as much as you'd like. I'm just going to save changes. and go back to view page. Also, if you ever want to change your profile picture, just mouse over right here and you'll be able to change that. And I just want to cover the features of the post over here. So back in the earlier days of Facebook, you would just be able to post a status on your page. But now you can post a status, you can post a photo or a video right in that you can upload from your computer or use your webcam. Or you can add an event or a milestone right from the status bar. So an event you can click on, you'll create an event right there for your page. And I'll let everyone who's a fan know about it. Or you can click on a milestone, which is something really cool. So we're going to put in when our team was founded. So I will say it was founded in 2011. It gives you a little drop down to pick the event. So that's when our team was founded. You can even go in more and add the month. So we'll just say February and add a day if you'd like to. We're going to save that. And now, if we scroll down, we see under 2011 in our history, we were founded on February 11, 2011. And you can see here on the right hand side, you can click on now and you can click on when we were founded, and it allows you to kind of navigate and toggle back and forth between these. You can add a bunch of other events, whatever you need to add, whatever works for you. As you saw before, we just had the drop down menu, but now that we've added when we're founded, I can add any milestone I want. So I'm just going to add that I created my Facebook page. You don't have to list a location, you can if you want. We created the Facebook page today, which is May 1st. And I can tell a little story about it. And I can even add a photo to go with it if I'd like. It lets me choose from my recent photos. Or upload a photo. So I'm going to save that milestone. And now when we scroll down, we can see I've got my milestone right here, my founded milestone. And it just really helps you build out your page, and it gives people who visit a little bit more information about your page. So that's the basics of creating a new Facebook page for your business, your company, or whatever else. So best of luck, and hope you found this video helpful.